Good morning, students of grade 5. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Cordova Mathematics of grade 5th. We started our chapter 22 Perimeter, Area, and Volume. Today we will solve activity 1, question number 5. Question number 1 to 4 we already solved yesterday. Okay, so today we will start question number 5. Let's see what we have in question number 5. Yes, we have two parts in this question, two tables we have. In this first part you have to do in your homework, okay, in your book, and second part we will solve in our classwork notebook. Question number 6, 7 and 11 also your today's homework, and question number 8, 9, 10 is our today's classwork. So let's start. What is the question number 8? A rectangular park has length 30 meter and breadth 22 meter. Rectangular park we have, and we know what is the perimeter of rectangular. Okay, how much distance does Rahul cover to complete 3 rounds of the park? Students, first of all, we will find out the perimeter by 1 round. Okay, in this question. Now come on question number 9. Find the cost of fencing. That means wiring a square park of side 110 meter at the rate of rupees 15 meter. This one is the park, and we are doing fencing, means we are wiring the around of the park of square park, and the side is 110 meter, and we pay 15 rupees for per meter. Then what is the total amount of the fencing? Okay, then we will find out. Question number 10. Find the perimeter of a triangle of whose two sides are equal. That means this one is not equilateral triangle. Okay, two sides are equal. Both sides are 22 centimeter and 22 centimeter, and the third side is 36 centimeter long. We have to find out the perimeter of triangle. Let's see. Take out your notebook and mention today's date. Yes, now we will start question number 5. Chapter we are doing 22, perimeter, area and volume. Activity 1. Question number 5 is, we have in this length, and length is equal to 140 centimeter. Breadth we have missing, and perimeter we have 400 centimeter. Okay, now perimeter is equal to 2 multiply by length plus breadth. The perimeter we have already 400 centimeter equal to 2. Length we have 140 centimeter plus breadth. Breadth is missing, that is missing. Okay. So what we will do, 400 centimeter is equal to, now we will multiply 2 multiply by 140, then we will go to 80. 2 multiply by b. So we will write like this, 2b. Okay, now this will become this side. Okay, 400, this will come in this side 400 centimeter, and this one is in addition. If we don't have any sign before the number, then we will assume that this one is in addition. So if we, this one is addition and it will come this side, from this side, then it will become minus 280 centimeter is equal to 2b. Okay, now subtract 0. Okay, We have here 0 and 8. Can we subtract? No, we will took borrow and it will become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. We have here 3 now. 3 minus 2, 1 centimeter is equal to 2b. Students, look carefully. Now what we will do? We will do b and this will become in divide. Okay, we will solve in divide. 120 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2. B will as it is and 2 will come as our divide. Okay, 120 divided by 2. So B is equal to 2, 6 12 and 0. We will divide. This one is divide. So breadth is 60 centimeter. Now question number 2. Length is equal to 4.3 meter. Breadth is equal to we have 2.8 meter and perimeter we have to find out of rectangle. Students, you all know how to find out the perimeter? Yes, 2 multiply by length plus breadth. Then we will multiply. Okay, in this question we are doing multiplication individually. 2 multiply by 140, 2 multiply by b because we have missing this one and in this we don't have missing, so we will multiply after addition. Okay, so we have 7.1 multiplied by 2. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 14.2 meter. Okay, because we don't have any missing in this in our formula, so we will solve after addition. Okay, now question number 3. Length is equal to we have missing, breadth is equal to 15 meter, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 90 meter. So what we have to find out in this question? Yes, length we have to find out. Okay, now we know what is the formula of perimeter rectangle. Okay, now the formula is 2 multiply by length plus breadth. 90 meter perimeter we have 2 length plus breadth. Okay, so 90 meter is equal to, now we will multiply individually because we have missing in this. Okay, so 2 multiply by L, so it will become 2L plus 2 multiply by 15 and it will become 30 meter. Okay, now 30 we have in addition and it will come this side and it will become in subtraction. This one is in addition and if it will come in this side, it will become in subtraction. Okay, and equal to 2 length because we have only here 2 length. Now subtract, then what will come? 60 meter is equal to 2 length. Okay, now what we will do? Length will this side and 2 will come at the division. Okay, this one will become as our divisor. Okay, now we will divide 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and 0. 30 meter. The length is equal to 30 meter. Students, we can check our answer also if we put in our formula 30. Length 30. So, if we will put length 30 to length 30 plus 15, it will become 45 and 45 multiplied by 2, 90. That means our answer is right. So, length is equal to 30 meter. Length is equal to 30 meter. Now come on question number 4. Question number 4. In this also we have length missing. Then you know how we will solve this one. Yes, length is missing and breadth we have 19 meter. So what we will do? 2L plus 2 multiply by 19. 19 to the 38 meter. So 38 will come this side. 78 minus 38 is equal to 2 length. Okay, if we will subtract, what number come? 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 3 4. 40 meter is equal to 2 liter. Now what we will do? Liter is equal to 40 divided by 2. I hope you are understanding, students. Then what number will come? 20 length. So length is equal to 20 meter. This one will become liter. Sorry, meter. Okay. Now come on question number 8. We have to find out the perimeter of rectangular park. Okay. Now length we have 30 meter, breadth we have 22 meter, and number of rounds cover is completing 3 rounds. So what we will do? First of all, find out the perimeter of rectangular shape park. To multiply length plus breadth. Length is 30 meter or breadth is 22 meter. If we will add, the number will come 52 meter and multiply with 2. 104 meter we have perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Okay, and he is completing 3 rounds. So we will multiply with 3 because he is completing 3 rounds. So 4 3 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 0 ja 0, add 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3, 312 meter. Okay, perimeter of 3 round. This one is perimeter only for 1 round and this one is for 3 rounds. Okay. Now come on question number 9. In question number 9, we have to find out the cost fencing of square park. Okay, length of square park we have 110 meter and we all know that all sides are equal in square shape. Okay, perimeter of square park. So what formula we will put? 4 multiply by one side and one side we have 110 meter. So we will multiply with 4 because we have 4 sides in square shape. So the perimeter of square park is 440 meter. Okay, cost of per meter fencing rupees 15. Okay, per meter rupees 15 per meter. Okay, thus the total cost, then we will multiply with 440 meter because we use 440 meter wire for fencing and 1 meter wire cost is 15 rupees. So we will multiply by 15. The cost is 6,660 rupees. Now come on question number 10. We have to find out the triangle perimeter of triangle, and this one is not equilateral triangle. Two sides of triangle, two sides we have 25 centimeter, both are equal in size. Third side is 36 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle, all sides are different, so we will put our addition. 25 centimeter, again 25 centimeter and 36 centimeter. If we will add all these numbers, then we will got 86 centimeter. That means the perimeter of triangle is 86 centimeter. I hope you all are understand, students. Bye bye.